One lady oguru about 5 point something million naira. The lady died of depression. He succeeded in duping a lady about 5 point something million naira. The lady died of depression. His pattern is very simple. This guy comes to your family for introduction and he has gangs that follows him about.
Igbo Molonze Moze Kene Igbo Nina National Adili Igbo Nina because no one video na Fegalembo was in Alusi Ego the wanted for scamming Alusi Ego. Manonya when I'm home no mad Nina na Alusi Ego do come no so Alusi Ego in Kaima. Mana bi culture mkunde na video na mo Alusi Ego nya na online woke bukwano the governor na ha kotia kemgbe abali no nekita no mana. He's wanted for scam. Money go mwai wa yoputo go in the name of love, seal of us. And done at 1 million, 2 million, 3 million. As far as him go mwai. No mwai other nego does not mean half of the honey like and half of the honey high. So I don't surprise that this same one at Balasego. Also, you Casio Mwane where Yamanakita has been declared wanted. Because you malonyobo or the live video Siana is wanted. About Bonon. About that. Yes, alone. But before that, and then the video tune off.
Alright, my name is Mr. Governor Ezoku the Shanamite. Let us hear from one of the victims of Chadi Kobi, alias Alusi Ego. Nwanyi Iza Foundation made a post to this. They complain about this young man Negugasinde Madowayo in millions near a company in China. And I'll be a fraudster. So people mentioned Governor Zoku there to intervene. And I finally did. I took my time, obtained every of the informations and all that. Then we verified that this guy is also at the Efcc wanted list. He equally has a court case which he stopped appearing to defend himself against Nwanyi Onugoro before Ogukwara Wayo. The woman I realized here no yani abobi no ori. The woman we seen a marriage aputa sue ya to court. Currently as I speak to you, one of the victims explained and narrated ihebere the thing away with them. One lady oguru about 5 point something million naira. The lady died of depression. He succeeded in duping a lady about 5 point something million naira. The lady died of depression. His pattern is very simple. This guy comes to your family for introduction and he has gangs that follows him about. He will first tell you that he owns a company in China. And if you have children, he always targets rich and wealthy ladies. Wealthy families, this guy has his expert way of penetrating into families and individuals. Some of the victims, he collected 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5 million naira from them in the name of taking them to China. So here Governor Zoku bring you one of the victims who called me today to complain officially. So see this number, in case. It's saying that I'm in car arrange. I don't do arrange things. So let's hear from this man. Hello?
Hello, sir.
Sir, please, can you repeat what you told me about Alusi Ego?
Okay. Alusi Ego came to me through my in-law. And he collected my passport, telling me that he will get to me. He will give me a Ghana passport, which he collected from the starting. He collected 150,000 naira for the Ghana passport. So, which I paid into one account, Rejoice Global something at UBA. Then from then we continue. He keep on collecting money from me till he collected over 7 million naira. At the in-law, he promised to marry.
Through your in-law, he promised to marry.
Amaka.
Amaka.
Yes.
Where is this Amaka now?
Amaka is dead.
Amaka is dead.
Yes, because he duped Amaka.
He equally duped Amaka.
Yes.
Okay.
So Amaka is dead. Shock and everything.
Out of the shock, right?
Out of the shock. Amaka is dead.
Okay. Please, sir, I have a question for you. Can I have that Amaka's picture? Is it possible to get it?
Yes, I can get it for you.
Which day can we get it?
Let me see what I can do tomorrow with picture.
All right. Thank you very much. I hope you reserved the evidences of those transactions you made with this guy.
Yeah, there's so many of them do bank. So I have the evidence because already I have the copies of. I went to my bank and print the copy.
Okay. Have you reported this case to the police?
I have reported it to Efcc Enugu.
Okay. Then was he living in Enugu then?
No, he told me that he do come to Enugu. He do come to him. Tell me to come and see him at one hotel. One hotel that towards the Kultur.
Okay, please, sir. We urge you to provide us with every necessary information and evidence. Okay? His pictures are everywhere. His pictures are everywhere, in fact. So we will help the EFCC to make sure that we grab this guy. Anywhere we get clear information about his location, we will communicate you immediately, and we will also give you every of the necessary support, such as manpower. We will be there.
Okay.
One-on-one. Anywhere we get information, clear information, we'll get back to you immediately, even at midnight. And we will not just give you the information, we will follow suit immediately.
Alright, sir. Thank you.
Alright, thank you. Viewers, stop giving out monies to people you don't know their houses. You don't know their house address. Before you pay in money to people's accounts on a visa project or things related to this, please verify. One is the complaint they brought to this lady. What was the complaint of one lady? This same guy duped about 4.something million naira. But I'm telling you, since morning we made this post till now, since the day one I made this post or I intervened over this, now we have extra 6 persons that came up with charges and evidences against this young man. They are Nigerians. Help us to grab this person you see on this picture. Even if he comes to the mama put to buy something, please give us information. Alert the nearest police there. Call my number and give the police the phone. Or even if you cannot grab this guy, please stage him, give me information, no matter the location. Then tell me the nearby police around there. We know what to do. Somebody is in the grave now weeping, crying, because she once loved somebody who happens to be a criminal. The last respect we owe this lady, these ladies, because Obugomeni, is just to fight for them. Thank you. This is the Shaman.
I na-ekwu sek na asị na adịla Igbo niile mma, biko ka isi wee nenekwa vidiyo anyị, like ya, subscribe ụlọ anyị na channel anyị, bịa notification dịtịsị anyị na-emeta notification ọbụla anyị tinye vidiyo fọ kajazi mkpa wee bụrụ, biko subscribe ụlọ anyị na channel anyị, drop a comment gị na kanal, share vidiyo anyị ka the video nwekwa ike na-aga viral, na like the post, and also don't forget to subscribe. Anyị enwenu mgbe ọzọ.